Alright, so we are prepping for Thanksgiving and we're going to make some deviled eggs. So I'm going to show you what we do with our chicken eggs to get them ready. Move this back just a little. There we go. Okay, so we've got the regular eggs that we've got from the coop. Some of them have a little bit of poo on them. I don't wash this off when we get them so it's not breaking down the membrane on the actual egg, so they can be left out. So before I go ahead and put them in the boiling water, I'm going to go ahead and give them a little wash. This one's just a naturally speckly egg. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let's see if it'll focus in. Let's see if I get out of the way, if it'll do it. Aha! You see the speckles on there? Pretty fun. Okay. We are going to make, we're going to make 4 dozen deviled eggs, because currently we have 11 dozen eggs just sitting here, and that's without collecting eggs from today. So yeah, we are going to make sure that our family is completely happy with deviled eggs this year. We are cracking the chicken eggs that we boiled. These are our own chicken eggs. Watch how easy this is. Can you get right here? Like, it's coming off of there before we even... Okay, let's do another one. Yeah, another one. Look at how amazingly easy that is. Beautiful little eggs. I mean, that's the easiest.